Criminals are always looking for new ways to defraud us out of our hard-earned cash. So when a new technology comes along that could help them steal what's not theirs, then they will grab hold of it with both hands. Deepfake technology is one of them, but how do they use it to defraud us? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is deepfake and the advantages and disadvantages of using it. Hello and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is deepfake? Deepfake is a type of artificial intelligence-based technology which is used to create realistic digital images, videos, and audio that can be used to impersonate real people. This technology utilises machine learning algorithms such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, to manipulate and synthesize media in a way that is often indistinguishable from the real thing. Deepfakes are often used to create fake news, propaganda, and other forms of misinformation, but can also be used to create realistic digital avatars for entertainment, advertising, and other purposes. Why would deepfake be used? Someone may use deepfake technology for various reasons. This could include entertainment, creating deepfake videos for comedic or satirical purposes, such as inserting celebrities into popular movie scenes or music videos. Political manipulation, creating deepfake videos of political figures to spread false information or propaganda. Personal gain, creating deepfake videos for individuals to blackmail or extort them. Research and development, using deepfake technology for testing and improving facial recognition software or other AI-based applications. Artistic expression, creating deepfake videos as a form of digital art or storytelling. Social media, creating deepfake videos to go viral on social media platforms and gain fame or influence. Business, creating deepfake videos to promote products or services. Marketing, creating deepfake videos to market a brand or product. Education, creating deepfake videos to explain complex subjects or to train professionals in certain fields. And gaming, creating deepfake videos to create more realistic characters in video games. The advantages and disadvantages of using deepfake. Deepfake technology can be used for a multitude of reasons, and the film industry has grabbed it with both hands. The advantages of using deepfake technology could be allowing for the creation of realistic and convincing digital representation of real people, even if the original footage is of poor quality or non-existent. Can be used for film and television production, video game development and advertising. Allows for the ability to create new content or recreate historical events and figures. Can be used to enhance the performance of actors or fill in for unavailable or deceased actors. Can be used for educational and training purposes such as in medical or legal simulations. And can be used for research and experimentation in fields such as psychology and sociology. However, the disadvantages of using this technology could be deepfake technology has the potential to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating fake videos or images that are designed to deceive or manipulate people. Deepfakes can be used to spread misinformation and fake news, which can have serious consequences for individuals, organisations, and socially as a whole. They can be used to impersonate individuals and commit financial fraud or other crimes. They can undermine trust in information and media, making it harder for people to distinguish between real and fake content. They can also be used to harass, bully, or stalk individuals online. Deepfake technology can be difficult to detect, making it hard for people to know whether they are looking at a real video or a deepfake. There is also a risk that deepfake technology may be used to create content that is so convincing that it can't be distinguished from reality, raising questions about authenticity and the nature of truth. There is still a lack of regulation and laws to prevent the abuse of this technology. And the technology is advancing so fast that it is difficult to keep up with the countermeasures. An example of deepfake being used. Whilst most of the time deepfake is used in a fun and positive way, there are some people who use the technology to harm and misinform. Take, for example, a video which was released of what appeared to be the Ukrainian president, Volodymyr Zelensky, telling his troops to surrender and lay down their arms. On closer inspection, it was discovered that someone had used deepfake technology to put out a fake video of the Ukrainian president, with internet users immediately flagging down the discrepancies between the skin tone on Zelensky's neck and face, the odd accent in the video, and the pixelation around his head. The video was swiftly taken down and condemned. This then led to the bigger question on who else could be deepfake targeted and if this technology is damaging to the wider world. Nina Schick, the author of Deepfakes, said the video looked like an absolutely terrible face swap, referring to programs that can digitally graft one person's face onto another's body. Schick called the fake Zelensky video very crude, but warned that it was a matter of time before the technology became more accessible. Expect fakes like this to become easier to produce while appearing highly authentic, she said. But it doesn't end there. Another concern is that deepfake technology could be used to create non-consensual videos or images of people, particularly women and other marginalised groups. This could lead to harassment and abuse, as well as loss of privacy for the individuals involved. In response to these concerns, several companies and organisations have taken steps to combat the spread of deepfake technology. For example, Facebook and Google have announced plans to remove deepfakes videos from their platforms, and researchers have developed tools to detect deepfake videos. However, it is important to note that deepfake technology is still in its early stages, and it is likely that it will continue to evolve and become more sophisticated. This means that it will be important to continue monitoring its use and potential impact, as well as to work towards creating laws and regulations that can protect individuals and society from negative effects. Can deepfake be used to commit fraud? Deepfake technology can be used to commit fraud in various ways, including impersonation. Criminals can use deepfake technology to create realistic videos or images of individuals, such as executives or government officials, in order to impersonate them and commit fraud. Phishing. Criminals can use deepfake technology to create convincing videos or images that appear to be from legitimate sources, such as banks or government agencies, to trick individuals into giving away personal information or money. Insider trading. Criminals can use deepfake technology to create fake news or information that can manipulate stock prices, allowing them to make illegal profits. Identity theft. criminals can use deepfake technology to create fake videos or images of individuals to steal their identity and commit fraud. Misinformation. Criminals can use deepfake technology to create fake videos or images that spread misinformation, which can lead to financial losses or other negative consequences. Overall, deepfake technology can be used to create convincing and realistic images and videos that can be used to deceive and defraud individuals and organisations. Even though this technology was created to do good, criminals have found a way to manipulate it to their own advantage, to not only defraud us, but to also defraud companies. Training is key for organisations to recognise if something doesn't look quite right and needs further investigation. So stay vigilant, look for red flags, and always report. Well, there you have it. What is deepfake and the advantages and disadvantages of using it. Please let us know in the comments section if you think this technology contributes to fraud being committed and what other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.